My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a pretty cool car right here, 1969. It's a genuine Super B. It was born at 383. They did it up as an A12. It's got the 440 6-pack lift-off hood. It is a 4-speed with a deadener rear end. Rotisserie restored. The bottom is painted green, just like the car. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, see 100 pictures of the car, and get the price. And not only on this car, we have a few hundred collector cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, that way you'll see the videos as they come out. Right now, join me, let's go for a spin in this bad boy. This car was driven over 3 hours to get to us. Someone brought the car to me, I bought the car, drove it on the highways. I took the car home that night, drove it around town. It's a turnkey driver. Wait till you hear it run. This thing is healthy. The bottom of the car is all super clean metal, the frame rails and the factory ribs and the metal, and everything looks really nice. It's painted this color under the car. Bottom of the motor, the transmission, it's all real clean. It is a Dana 60 rear end in the back. It's a 323 or 354 gear. I forget what he told me. I didn't even decode the fender tag yet. I kind of just jumped into this one right here. So go to the website to get all the specs. I'll list everything on there. The front end was rebuilt. So yeah, underneath is real nice. The body is super nice and clean, straight, smooth. There's no bubbles, no rust. That door fits really nice. The gaps are spot on. The chrome mirror's nice. It's not brand new. Door handle is brand new. The glass is nice. The rubber gasket's nice. And the A12 is the performance version. They didn't come with hubcaps. They had the fiberglass lightweight hood. There's no springs. I'll lift that off in a second. We've also got radial redline tires on there. Looks like the front bumper was re-chromed, but down here it's tarnished because some of the chrome peeled off right there. The grille looks like it's polished in real nice shape. This door fits nicely, smooth all along the bottom. Great color too. This green really pops. Weather strips are new, door jam's nice, bottom of that door is super dry and clean. New sill plates. All the upholstery looks like it's been done. The cushions are good. It has seat belts front and back. New carpet, Super B embroidered floor mats. Got the Super B bumblebee stripe. Rear bumper's nice and shiny. Tail panels real nice. Whoa, don't want to be in the way of that. Painted glossy, new sticker, new weather strip. Inside here is all painted green. It actually has a radial red line for a spare on a black rim. Has the jack. Underneath the mat, they did put down a layer of insulation. It's a sound deadener. There are some scratches in the rear glass. Center console's in real nice original condition. The lights work. This also has the tachometer. The instrument panel is not beat up or cracked or broken. It has the original AM radio. See if I can lift this hood off of here. Maybe it's using a hood latch still. I have not personally lifted this off. Here we go. There we go. So the hood is light, one person. A cool way to display these, you get some conduit pipes and you can lift the hood up at a car show so the hood is there but you can still see in. So the engine bay is all clean metal, all square and nice and painted green. Fender tag is right here, which I'll decode on our website. All the components on the firewall look real nice. Aluminum radiator, nice shroud, nice fan. The alternator looks new. Washer bottle looks new. Like I said, that is a 6-pack setup underneath there. It has power steering and power brakes. Let me fire this bad boy up. You're going to like this. I know I did. The stainless steel Volo mufflers. Nice, responsive, snappy. I think it's a great car. It's unique, it's different. I love the color, the 4-speed, the 6-pack, the deadener rear end, yet it still has power steering, power brakes. It's restored to a level that's really impressive, but it's still a driver. It's just got a lot going for it. Also has an electric fan up here, so you shouldn't have any trouble running hot. Wiring is all neat. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can answer all your concerns and questions about the car, the process, the financing, the delivery. We can help with all of that at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Thanks for watching.